What's going on, guys? It's your boy Too Smooth June here, coming at you with a video. If you guys are experiencing the yellow exclamation mark on your stream deck, any type, and you're hitting the buttons and it's just popping up, it's most likely they would say it's one of your plugins. Now for me, it would be my Streamlabs OBS plugin. Every time I would hit a button, it just wasn't going. So I found a solution. I don't know if it's a permanent fix, but so far it's been working for me. And I've been dealing with this issue for the past 2 days. If you head over to the Elgato website and you go on the top right corner to downloads, you're going to see Stream Deck 6.9.0. This is the most recent one that just came out. Don't download that one. I did, and I was experiencing this issue. If you come to version history and you actually go to 6.8.1, the last one, and if you're on Mac, obviously hit this one. If you're on Windows, which I am, we would do the this one. And it's been working for me. I'm pretty sure the issue is there's a bug or something's going on in the most recent update. I don't know if it's a corrupted file. I don't know what it is, but like I said, for me, if you go back to the old update 6.8.1, it's been working for me. I've had no issues. I've tried deleting Stream Deck, well, excuse me, uninstalling it. I tried uninstalling Streamlabs OBS. Nothing was fixing it. I tried to delete every file that I could find on Stream Deck. It just wasn't working. And I found that this was the easiest solution for my issues. So like I said, guys, just go over to Elgato, their website, hit downloads on the top right corner, come down to where it says version history underneath Stream Deck. I'm going to go to 6.8.1 and then just hit your option and then it should download. So other than that, guys, my name is Too Smooth June. Stay smooth, stay tuned. Peace.